Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Wednesday, January 21st, 2026, and we are witnessing what historians might later call a great debasement. If you looked at your portfolio yesterday, you saw the Dow Jones plummet nearly 870 points. The reason? The Greenland war is no longer just a headline, it is a full-blown systemic shock. President Trump is currently in Davos for the World Economic Forum, and instead of de-escalating, he has doubled down. He's standing firm on his 25% tariff threat against European allies unless the Greenland deal is signed. In response, the European Union is now considering the nuclear option, using their anti-coercion instrument to freeze U.S. investments and potentially weaponize their $10 trillion holdings of U.S. bonds and stocks. We've already seen a Danish pension fund dump its U.S. treasuries. When allies start dumping your debt, the foundation of the global economy shakes. This massive geopolitical rift has sent gold screaming past $4,800 an ounce for the first time in history. In India, MCX gold has hit a mind-blowing 1.57 Indian rupees lakh, and silver is trading above 3.33 Indian rupees lakh per kg. This isn't just a rally, it's a panic flight to safety. Investors are fleeing the US dollar and the euro, fearing that both currencies are being debased by political warfare. But it's not just trade wars. The civil war within the U.S. government is intensifying. The DOJ's criminal probe into Fed Chair Jerome Powell has reinforced fears that the Federal Reserve's independence is dead. Goldman Sachs has warned that this investigation is a direct threat to the dollar's credibility. If the Fed becomes a political tool for the White House, inflation isn't just a risk, it's a certainty. On the tech front, the Nvidia versus Tesla battle is reaching a fever pitch. As the Magnificent Seven turns into the Fab Four, Nvidia's open-source Alpamayo model is being deployed by manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz, directly challenging Tesla's software dominance. Today, we are watching the PCE inflation data very closely. If those numbers come in hot, the Fed will be trapped between fighting inflation and surviving a criminal investigation. My advice for today: the volatility isn't over. The VIX is trending higher, and the Sell America trade is gaining momentum. Keep your eyes on the $4,850 gold level. If we break that, the sky is the limit. Market Minute USA is your eyes and ears on the ground. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, are you betting on a Greenland deal, or is this the start of a global trade collapse? Stay vigilant, and I'll see you at the closing bell.